Hi guys, today we're going to do something different. We are going to review my first atlas from Learnyland. Enter in Learnyland. You can see this world map and you can choose where you want to learn. Let's see what we got here.
The climate of Northern and Southern Europe are very different.
In the atlas, there's a cooking recipe section in the top left-hand corner. Did you know that tiramisu comes from Italy? Also in the top left-hand corner, there's more games.
Europe. Drag the pieces to complete the puzzle.
I have a
Switzerland.
fill in the map game here. Now we are going to move on to Asia.
East Asia. Drag the pieces to complete. Uzbekistan, Jordan, Syria, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Kuwait, Iraq, Qatar, Saudi Arabia.
Now we are going to move on to Oceania. Now that we're done with Oceania, we're going to move on to South America.
The bald eagle is very nice and elegant and is the national symbol of the United States of America.
Oh, you can even color here. This atlas is really cool. Since I can't cover all the features, why don't you download and learn this app yourself?